Hello student, in this class we learn attach and detach tool. So first I create a sphere and then make two duplicate copy. Now select both object and convert to editable poly. Select only one object and attach tool available in the command panel in the edit geometry section, and it's a setting box. You can click on the setting box. A flyout will display like this. These are different filters you can enable or disable by click on these buttons. Display all, and it's for display none. And if you want to activate a filter, click on that button geometry. Select the geometry and click on the attach button. So second object will attach. You can also access this attach tool from the right click, and it's a setting button. You can click on this, same flyout will display. And you can also use attach tool by click on the button and then click on the second object. Now both objects are in a single selection. But if you want to select these objects separate, expand the subdivision mode and click on the element, and then you can select these objects separately and change the position also. These are just overlap. Click on the edit poly to exit the editing mode. And second tool is detach tool. If you want to detach these objects, first select element and then click on the detach tool. A flyout will display like this, and click on the OK button. Now they are separate objects. You can select separately like this. And if you want to change the pivot position, click on the hierarchy button and then click on the affect pivot only and center to the object. In the next class, we learn some more tools.